to another edition of Medicine in Quarantine. Today we're going to talk about isobutyryl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency. That is hard to pronounce, but let's start with Dr. Jose Manuel Morales Chiquito.
Thanks, companion Arisbeth. Today we are going to talk about a disease that is not pronounced every day, and which is isobutyryl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency. What is disease? It's a condition that disputes the breakdown of certain proteins. Isobutyryl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency is an inborn error in the metabolism of the amino acids valine. The symptoms can start in childhood. People with deficiencies have inadequate levels of enzymes that helps break down a particular amino acid called valine. It is inherited in an autosomal recessive manner. What are the symptoms? The symptoms are lack appetite, student growth, weakened and enlarged hearts, that is dilated cardiopathy, cirrhosis, anemia, low levels of carnitine, which is a natural substance that helps convert certain food into energy. And without further, and for the moment, I pass it back to my partner, Arisbeth.
Okay, I am going to explain a diagram in order to understand in an easier way this deficiency. We can see that the diagram is divided in two parts. The one that explains how the normal value works and the other that explains how the value works with the IBD deficiency. So we can see that in both sectors there are food proteins and muscle proteins. This creates amino acids. There are different kinds of amino acids with different functions, but we're going to focus only in valine. In the normal site, we can see that valine works with IBD enzyme that is in charge to accelerate different chemical processes. But when they work together, they create the enough energy in order to make our daily routines and activities. And in the IBD deficiency, we can see that valine doesn't work with the IBD enzyme. So this creates an accumulation of harmful substances and obviously other health problems. But like the main consequence and symptom is that the body doesn't have the enough energy in order to growth and development. Continuing with this interesting topic, let's talk about chemistry. Proteins and enzymes are the biomolecules related with this deficiency, and the amino group is the functional group of this biomolecule. But let's talk deeper about genes with the specialist Emmanuel Maximiano Bustamante.
If are genes related to the disease? Yes, IBD is inherited as an autosomal recessive trait. We all have isobutyryl CoA dehydrogenase, but children with IBD deficiency, neither of these genes works well. These children inherit from each parent altered gene causing the disease. The parents are named carriers, but they are not deficient in IBD because the other genes works well. Now, when both parents are carriers, there is a 25% that the child will have the disease, or a 50% probability to be a carrier. The disorder is caused by mutations in the ACAT8 gene. The mutations that occur in these genes reduce the activity of IBD enzyme. How often does the disease occur? Well, IBD deficiency is a rare disorder. Approximately there are 22 cases that are reported to the medicine literature. But there are some people that don't have the same symptoms, even if they are with IBD deficiency. IBD deficiency is a rare disorder that actual incidence is unknown. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.